Welcome back to a new analysis. Today's video, we'll be taking a look at Bitcoin and the price action of Bitcoin, if it's in the bullish momentum or in the bearish, in the short term and in the long term. If you like these types of analysis, please like, subscribe, and let's take a look at the charts. Okay, so in the 5 minutes, so price actions here, we see that we have an uptrend around the area of 41,000, and then we can draw our lines here. And we went out of this uptrend for a little, and then we came back and retested, which we created the momentum here for investors to come in. So as we see here, I'll also draw my uptrend, which we could take a look here. We've been in this zone for a little now, for 5 minutes. So each candle of this is 5 minutes. So we're in this zone. So as of right now, we can see another retest at 42,000 short term. And if we take a look at the RSI as well, this looks like a double top, as we can see here, which we tested it several times. We tested it once, twice, and the zones here in the range, we've tested the area of 41,000 several times. So short term, we're in the zone. I would like for Bitcoin short term to actually break out of the zone and retest this area right here, and then continues this momentum up. But also have a look and let me know what you think short term is for Bitcoin. But also have in mind that we're in the weekends right now, so price and the volume will be lower than usual. As we can see here, price is on a downtrend right now, since the momentum is in the weekends and not a lot of people are going to be trading Bitcoin on the weekends. So on weekdays, I think price will continue its rally up, and this is for the short term, okay? And I also want to talk about some of the divergence that I saw here. So as we can see, we have a divergence that happened, and we have price rally up after. And also right here, there's another divergence that happened. This one is shorter than the longer area, which we had a higher momentum in. So just take a look and be aware of these areas that we have divergence in, as we can see right here, and which happened here on the RSI and the SMA. We had divergence. So this is for the short term. I would like price to break out of the zone at the 42,000 level, and continue its rally up. And usually what I want to see is the price that I drew out there, is for it to break out and then retest that area of highs, and then continue its rally up. And hopefully we don't see for a short term price for it to retest this area down there, and then goes back down, which we can take a look at for the zones. We would be going down in the, let's see which area. So about these areas right here, okay. So about the 40,000 for the short term. So we don't want to we don't want to jinx it and say that's gonna happen, but hopefully it continues this rally up for the short term. 1 hour, see that there's quite some action here on the 1 hour. We created several highs here, which happened. It retests several times at the 41,000, and let me scroll down, and as we can see as well, we have right here a big support at the 1 hour level of 40,000, and it tested it several times, as we can see. Take a look here. So this is a big zone, okay? So if price for Bitcoin breaks out of the structure, we can see a retest like I drew out before, and then we could continue its rally down to the 40,000 level, okay? This is for the 1 hour. So hopefully this doesn't happen, but this looks like an ascending triangle here, and hopefully we do see continuance upside, but this could be a potential for our liquidity here grab. This could be a liquidity grab down here for investors that decided to go back up and decided to actually go long for Bitcoin. So just be aware of that if you're thinking on buying Bitcoin at these prices right now, because at the 1 hour there might be a liquidity grab here for the market to go back down and test this area for people that went long on it. And so yeah, and we can also take a look. There's a major high here. Tested it several times. So currently we're at this zone right here, for the 1 hour as well. So we're trading in the zone right now, so price can continue going up, down, and then test the zone several times, and hopefully, like I drew before, we test the zone upside and then continue its rally up. But there's a possibility that with news coming in and a lot of things also being in effect, price can rally down. So just keep that in mind if you are deciding to get on Bitcoin. Okay, I don't want to join right now. I'll join later. Not sure what happened. We'll join later, guys. All right, there it is. Okay, so just have that in your mind that if you do wanna go into a Bitcoin as a long, just know that we are at a liquidity grab here down there. Okay, we've also had for 1 hour, we've had here a nice uptrend, which is actually to the zone right here. So as we had the uptrend where it was testing these zones, and which also can connect to the zones up there. And we were in this area for quite some time since this is the 1 hour. We were breaking the structure and also always coming back down to these levels here. And so yeah, we're in the zone. So just keep that in your mind that we could be in a middle sequence here, and the price can be arranged in the middle. And we could see volume declining for as of now, but hopefully it gets back up during the weekdays when there's a lot of trading volumes and everything going on as well. So for the 1 hour, for the 4 hour, similar things, okay, but this just gives you a better price action, which we can see at these levels right here. So this is the longer term zones that I will be taking a look at. So the 38,000 is another zone that can be a possibility if we do break the structure of this area right here at 40,000. So just keep that in your mind, and hopefully there's not enough news during the weekends and the weekdays for price to go back down. Alright guys, that makes up for the Bitcoin daily analysis. If you like these types of videos, please like and subscribe, and stay tuned for our next analysis and passive income play. Take care and stay blessed.